Today I am going to be showing you guys how to put on a condom. Unfortunately, I will not be using my own personal penis for this demonstration, but I will be using this cucumber and this squash. The reason why I got two different vegetables of two different sizes is because with the squash, I wanted to represent my small penis and also all the Asians and non-Asians out there that have small penises. I might have to honestly cut this in half or break it because this is already like double the size of my penis, but I wanted to represent my brothers and just my people in general. And I got this bigger cucumber to represent Black people and white people and Asians, maybe like any other race or people, humans, that have bigger schlongs. And I think it's important to talk about different sizes because condoms come in different sizes, and I'm talking too much, so let's just get right into it. I have here this Durex condom, and if you buy my douche kits or anything from my store, everything comes with a condom. So this is really cheap. You can get condoms literally anywhere at 7-Eleven, at the store, at the mall, at the liquor store, any convenience store. This is a really good contraceptive that stops a man's sperm from getting inside a woman's coochie, or a man's sperm from getting inside another man's anus, or a man's sperm to a throat. It just blocks semen from getting into holes, and that prevents STIs, that prevents pregnancies. This is the reason why, like, if you don't want AIDS or HIV or STDs and you want to just like lower your chances, but you want to like hoe about, you get a condom and you use it before intercourse. So I'm gonna open this condom up. You just go like that. It's like perforated, and what comes out is obviously a condom. So these two condoms are of the same size, but you can, like I said, get different sizes like XL at the store. It just depends on what kind of penis you have. So I'm gonna be starting with the squash. Like I said, this is like triple my penis size, but let's just assume this is a small penis. So as you can see with the condom, it is like there's obviously a side that the penis is supposed to go in. It does help to kind of hold the condom upright, and you can kind of see the latex that is sticking out. This means that you want to put the penis on this side because this is already coming out. So you want to make sure that it's easy to unwrap it and to go down your penis. So obviously step one is to open the wrapper and take the condom out. Step two is to get an erection. A soft penis will not be this hard, and a soft penis it'll be harder for you to put a condom on. It's literally almost impossible. So you want to get an erection, you want to arouse yourself and or have the person arouse you. Hopefully if you're doing this, you are aroused because that's what you deserve. So aroused small penis. Now you're gonna put the condom like this, and all you're doing is unwrapping the condom. So as you can see, I've already unwrapped it a little bit on accident, but put it on the top here and just slowly unwrap it as it goes down. You don't want to go too fast or too harsh because condoms break, obviously, and that's why it's not 100% like a condom's purposes and a condom's like method of like blocking a pregnancy or like blocking an STI from coming through. It's never 100%. So you can reduce chances of condoms breaking and ripping by going slowly. And this condom, wow, it's a long condom. But now the penis, or I guess in this case the squash, is covered by this condom, and now this squash is ready to go inside a mouth, a hole, whether it's a coochie or a butt, whatever it may be. This is 2024 and I do live in America, so you have to account for all the holes and all the possibilities, and this smells normal. It's unscented. So once the condom is in, obviously even though you have succeeded in getting it on your erection, you want to stay erect. You don't want to just go soft, because if this goes soft, your penis will shrink and then this will literally just fall out, and then it's going to be harder to put it back in and yada yada yada. So just stay turned on, because just stay turned on. Putting that aside, now we're gonna do the bigger cucumber. Let's do it. So this is the same condom. I'm just gonna unwrap it the same way, like that. Same thing. You can see the little thingy over there, so it was like this, so I'm gonna just put this on the tip of the big penis, or I guess in this case the tip of the cucumber, and then slowly just unwrap it and go down. It's important to note that you want it to go all the way, because if you don't unwrap it, unroll it all the way, and you're like banging, it could easily just roll back up your schlong, and it'll literally like plop out. And if it plops out midway, it'll be like super quick. Like it'll be like plop. I mean, I guess right now it's not, because it's like lubed up, but yeah, go slowly and make sure you unravel it kind of like all the way. Usually once it reaches like your balls and your testicles, it should be good to go. That middle part, I unrolled it, so that's why it looks like it's might be stuck there. Just pretend like that's foreskin or something. But yeah, that is how you put on a condom. I hope this helps. I know a lot of you guys are new to banging and to sex education, and I know it's like lacking in today's society, so that's how you put on a condom. And you always want to practice safe sex, especially if it's with strangers and people you don't know. So please use a condom, and if you're a woman, be protected. You don't want to get pregnant and then have to like abort. Like people, it's really emotionally and physically taxing to abort, and sometimes if you're not like financially secure and you have a baby, it could change the trajectory of your life in a way that you don't want it to at the time. So please be careful with that. If you're gay and you're banging all the time, please use a condom or go on PrEP. PrEP is a pill that you can take every single day that reduces your risk of getting HIV by 99%. If someone finishes in you without a condom, you have 3 days since that initial finishing in your butt to get on PEP, which is post-exposure prophylaxis, so that will prevent the HIV from getting into your bloodstream. But you can avoid all of that by using a condom. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. If you want condoms, hit the link in my description for my douche kits. Condoms do come with all my kits. Also hit the link below for my bottoming course. That's still up and running. My new album just came out, so that's also at the link below. And my Cameo, book me for a personalized video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am so excited to teach you guys about sex ed again and again on this channel. Subscribe and like this video for more. And thank you guys. I love you, and I'll talk to you soon.